Wow. You can use it everywhere. Hope it's this one. Not taking the response. Used to be a Montgomery. Hey there. Can I decide something?
Third floor.
Fristers.
Going down.
They are COP. Highest floor you can go into, this one is 3. Because these are key carded.
Lower.
Fristers.
Going up.
Do my cow view. Hey there.
Third floor. Going down.
That's going down. They are COP. All these floors are rock.
Lower. 9. Going up.
Oh, okay. These are key carded.
Third.
Fristers. Are you going up?
Yeah.
Come on
Going
in.
up.
25.
Yes. I love elevators.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's a hobby of mine. Well, good luck. For safety reasons, don't even offend it when you want to go up there. But key card is for safety.
Cool.
But I'll stay in there for safety reasons.
Sure.
Back in the old school, don't have that key carded reader. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Going down.
LL or Wabi?
Let me.
Go down to LL. This used to be a Montgomery. This used to be a Montgomery because the escalators are old escalators. Every childhood is different. If you like something back in the day, you will enjoy it now. Have a good day.
Going down.
These are keycarded now. Keycardvator. Oh gosh. No indicator.
Lower.
Out you go.